Okay, let's look at the homework 5.1, 5.2, number 3. All right, so what we want to do is we want to sketch the solution set of this inequality. 5x plus 4y is strictly less than 20. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first thing we do is inequality is too hard, so I'm gonna just turn it into an equality. So which is 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. Right? So this is basically the equation of the borderline. Right? Then probably easiest way to do is we need a couple points. We're gonna just find the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts. Right? So in order to find x-intercepts, or just x-intercept, just there's only one x-intercept. Right? So I'm gonna just set y equals 0. So y equal to 0. Right? Which means that the second term is 0. So you only have 5x is equal to 20. Right? Which gives you, right? So just divide through by 5. That way we can isolate x, right? And 20 divided by 5 is 4, right? So x-intercept is 4, right? How about the y-intercept? Y-intercept, right? So we're gonna just set the x equal to 0, right? Which means that the first term is 0. So you have only 4y is equal to 20, right? So we need to get rid of 4 to isolate y. So I'm going to just divide through by 4, right? So that will give us y equals 20 divided by 4 is 5, right? So x-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 5, right? So let's use that to sketch the borderline, right? All right, maybe I'll make it larger. All right. So x-intercept is 4. So we're gonna have a 4 here. So I'm gonna use the line tool. So choose the line tool. So go to 4 and click that. And then y-intercept was 5. So you're gonna go to the y-axis and go up to 5 and click that. All right. Then we're gonna choose the, since this is a strict inequality, so we're gonna choose the dotted line, right? So you have a dotted line, right? Then we need to pick which side to choose, right? So I'm gonna just choose the paint tool, right? So we're gonna pick any point that not on the borderline we can use, but let's see. I'm gonna just save this for now, right? Then go here, right? So we can pick any point that you want outside the borderline. So in this case, I usually like 0.0, which is your origin, or 0, 0. So let's try 0, 0, 0, 0. Does this guy satisfy this inequality? All right, let's check. All right. So 5 times 0 plus 4 times y is also 0. And obviously, this is going to be 0. Right? Is 0 strictly less than 20? And the answer is yes. Right? Which means that the 0, 0 satisfy this given inequality. Right? So what that means is that we need to shade. You have two sides, right? This is an upper half plane. This would be a lower half plane. And you can see that 0, 0 satisfies this inequality, which means that we need to shade the lower half plane. All right, so we're going to use the paint tool. All right, then we're going to paint the lower half plane. All right, so that's that. And let's see if they like this answer, and check answer. All right, got that. All right, second, use the graphing tool on the right to graph the set of points that do not satisfy the inequality. All right, so the borderline is going to be the same. This time, it's going to be a strict inequality. Right, so and maybe I should rewrite that. Right, so the set of points that do not satisfy this inequality should satisfy 5x. So this, I'm doing part B here, right? 5x plus 4y, right? So not strictly less than 20 means that the greater than or equal to 20, right? So in this case, we have equality, so we need to use the solid line, and inequality is flipped, right? So let's do that. All right, so line tool, right? So y-intercept was, x-intercept was 4, so put that, right? Then y-intercept is 5, so put that there, right? Then that's a solid line, right? Then we just need to paint the other half plane, so upper half plane, so click that, right? So that's that, check, all right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.